welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video we are going to be doing another pixie cut video. You guys seem to really love when I do videos on my pixie cut, so why not go ahead and film this highly requested video on how I add extensions to my pixie cut. And you guys have been on my case about what products I use, so everything that I use in this video will be down in my description bar below. And I also incorporated the products that I use in this video. So if you guys want to see how I got my pixie like this and how I added extensions, then just keep on watching. So jumping right into it, the products that I'm using is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner, the Design Essentials Liquid Shine, the Nairobi Rapid Foaming Lotion, and the BioSilk Silk Therapy Light. You will also need hair clips, scissors, the Care Edge Tamer, an Edges toothbrush, and hair glue. So for my hair of choice, I'm using the Viso Persian 100% Human Hair, and it is in the color 1B. It is also in the length 10-inch short, and I am using a few of my favorite combs. So the very last thing you'll need are hot tools. I'm using a 1/2-inch flat iron, a blow dryer, and a 1-inch flat iron. And now for the fun part. I'm just taking that Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner and I'm spraying it all over my hair. Next up, I'm taking my Nairobi Rapid Foaming Lotion. This is literally my favorite wrapping foam lotion of all time, and as you guys can see, I'm having a lot of fun. Next up, I'm taking this super fine rat tail comb and I'm just going to part my hair the way I like it, and I'm also going to take my wide tooth comb and begin to detangle my hair. So now I am beginning to mold my hair the way that I like it. I'm going to make sure everything is flat, everything is neat, and everything is pretty much the way that I like it. Now I'm just molding the back of my hair. You want to make sure you look good from the front and the back, honey. So now I'm just giving you guys a 360 of what my mold looks like from the front, the back, and the side. So next up, I'm taking these junior wrap strips and I'm just going to place 2 of these around the perimeter of my head. So now that my hair is completely dry, I'm just going to take some of that BioSilk oil and I'm running it throughout my hair. And I'm just going to break up my mold a little bit to make sure I get that oil all over my hair. You want the oil to be on your roots and your tips. Next, I'm just taking this rat tail comb and I'm basically just trying to see where I want to add my extensions and preparing my hair for the extensions. Now that my hair is parted the way I like, I'm just going to take the extension and just measure it out to my part, making sure it matches. Then I'm going to take my scissors and just cut the width. Next, I'm just taking a generous amount of that hair glue and applying it to one side of that extension. And you don't want to apply too little and you don't want to apply too much. So when applying extensions to your hair, you want to make sure you're getting the extension on your scalp. That helps eliminate breakage. You do not want to apply the extension on your actual hair. You want to make sure you get it on the scalp. So next, I'm just taking my blow dryer and blow drying down that extension, and that just helps it to adhere a little bit better. Just in case you guys were wondering, I did cut my extensions off camera, and when cutting your extensions, you want to make sure you don't cut them too short or leave them too long, because you're going to be able to tell where your natural hair starts and where the extension stops. So if you want your hair to look natural, you want to make sure you're leaving the extension just a little bit longer than your natural hair. So once we are done applying the extensions, now it's time to flat iron. So when flat ironing your hair, you want to make sure you start in the middle of your head. It basically gives you a guide to where you want your hair to lay and how you want your pixie cut styled. So when curling my hair, there's really no specific technique that I use. I pretty much just pick up the hair, grab it, and curl it. So I'm just gonna let you guys continue to watch and learn. Another tip, you want to make sure you apply your oils before you add the extensions, because if not, your extensions are going to be super oily and they're going to look fake. So now that I've curled the back of my Pixie, I pretty much just gonna run my fingers through the curls. I don't like the curls back there to be super defined, so I just pretty much run my fingers through those curls. So now that my hair is all curled up, I'm just taking the Carry Care Edge Tamer and my edges toothbrush, and I'm just gonna slay those edges the way I want, honey. And this is the completed look. That is pretty much on how I style my pixie cut and add extensions to it. If you guys enjoy my hair videos, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I have so much in store for you guys on you girls that have pixie cuts and like these videos. So if you guys want to see more videos on how I care for my pixie cut and how I, do it, any products I use, all that good stuff, make sure you like this video and comment down below. And also don't forget to smash that subscribe button before you leave so you will not miss any more of my uploads. In the meantime, remember to be blessed and follow your dreams. And I will see you guys in my next video.